What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Brian Noonan here. You know, building a brand on Amazon is so important. When you're going out there and you're going to launch products on Amazon and start selling, should you sell random products, just a product here, a product there, in all different categories, it really doesn't matter? Or should you focus on one niche or one market and build a brand? I'm going to answer that question in today's video. Why building a brand in the long run is the right move and the smartest business decision you can make for financial stability and overall profitability. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back to my subscribers. My name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and mentor. Right here on this channel, I release 1 to 2 new videos every single week covering everything Amazon FBA related. So if you like learning about Amazon, making money online, make sure to go down and give me a like, subscribe down below, and drop a comment, and you'll be automatically entered to win a 30-minute mentorship call with me. Each video, I pick 2 lucky winners to win a 30-minute call with me who like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. My job right here on this channel is to help educate, impact, and teach as many people and as many lives as possible. I went from a drug addict all the way to a 6-figure full-time Amazon FBA seller. So if you went through a struggle or a challenge, or you're looking to turn your life around or set up a business that'll make income every single month, this channel is perfect for you. Let's jump into my computer and go over how you're going to build a brand, a 6-figure or 7-figure brand on Amazon, step by step. Coming up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, before we jump into today's video, I just want to take a minute and give a shout out to a couple of my students of the Amazon for All 60-day mentorship program, which you can check out down below in the video description. But I just want to give a shout out to Travis, Kathy, and Ryan. They're 3 of my students inside the mentorship program, and their sales are exploding. They're probably watching this video, but here's Travis. He's launching his first product, you know, only a couple weeks, like week 1. He's in $500 in revenue in just the first or second day, and he's on track to do roughly $5,000 in revenue his very first month. So congratulations to Travis. Next we have Ryan. Ryan launched his first product as well. He was a little hesitant to launch the product because he wasn't sure if it was too competitive, but I helped him clear things up, and he did $1,110 in sales in 1 day in month 1 of launching his very first product, which is so exciting. I love getting messages like this, and he did 44 units in 1 day. Low reviews too, like under 10 reviews. And then here we have Kathy, one more, guys, $8,722 in her first 30 days with 1 product from a product we found and launched together. So amazing results. The sales and revenues and demand for products on Amazon right now is off the charts, as long as you pick the right products that have good demand even before and after COVID-19. Does that make sense? So we want to find products that are going to sell after COVID-19 and that make sense for the new at-home economy. You know, arts, crafts, and sewing products for the kids, backyard DIY stuff. Those types of products, cooking and cleaning products, sell the best. But let's jump into the video. So how do you go about building a 7-figure brand on Amazon versus just launching random products in this category and that category and this category? And guys, this was a mistake that I made in the very beginning as well. I thought that I should just, you know, find random products that would make me money and then launch those, and it didn't really matter which category it was in. But as soon as I narrowed down and focused on one category, which in my case was home and kitchen and dining, I built a brand around those products, and I saw my sales explode. And so one thing that I would recommend doing is whatever product you find for your first product or your second product, you'll want to think of other related products that you can launch around that niche or that first product and build a brand. So eventually, and I'll talk about this here in a minute, we're going to get a trademark for your brand and use the Amazon IP program to get a trademark and brand registry, and that helps increase sales too, and I'll explain why here in just a minute. So we're going to be talking about building a 6-figure Amazon FBA brand. This is a mistake that I made in the beginning, thinking I should just launch a product in this category, a product in this category. And yes, you can make some money doing that, but we're the long-term best decision, the long-term option. The best option is to build a brand. Because in 3, 4, 5 years down the road, if you launch multiple products in the same niche and build a brand that has authority and sales and revenues and profits, you can sell that brand off to an investor or another buyer who will sell that or will buy that product from you, and you can have a 6-figure or even a 7-figure exit, which means they pay you 6 figures or 7 figures just for that brand. So a brand provides trust and authority in the marketplace. What does that mean? So when customers are on Amazon and they see like this in the search results here, I typed in fitness, all categories. This is called a sponsored display ad, a brand ad. And you get this once you have brand registry, but you see how this catches your attention versus just a normal sponsored ad like this one. It's good, that's a good first image, but it's nothing compared to this where it has a video. These are brand display ads that comes along once you have brand registry, and it really catches the customer's attention. Also at the very top of the page here, these are also display brand ads that you have the option to run and set up, and these convert really, really well. Okay, number 2, we talked about this already, but launching related products in one niche or one marketplace is the best way to go, guys, because you're going to build authority, you're going to create a brand, you can expand off to your own Shopify store, and you're building a recognizable brand that customers are going to find your listing, then find your product, and then fall in love with your brand. I'll say that again because it's so important. The customer or the shopper on Amazon is going to find your listing, they're going to buy your product, and then they're going to fall in love with your brand. And so it's your job to make sure you brand the product really, really well from the very beginning. So you'll want to find a supplier who can put your brand name or logo on the product. Even before you have a trademark or brand registry, you can use whatever brand name you want as long as you check on Trademarkia, USPTO.gov to make sure that that brand name is available down the road for when you do want to trademark that brand and get brand registry. So make sure you are checking whichever brand name you want. You can use as long as it's not already taken, and you can just have your supplier print the logo or brand name right on your product, which I recommend doing, especially with the new restrictions. Amazon for new listings is actually requiring us to submit photos proving that we own the brand, photos of our product with the logo on it, packaging with the logo on it, and even a domain or a URL can help get you approval. So Helium-10 black box, product targeting. This is a great option to come in here and find products that are related to the first product you launch. So let's say you were going to do these resistance bands. You could grab the ASIN here, and then we're going to go into Helium-10 black box. Once inside Helium-10 black box, if you guys don't have Helium-10, make sure to check out in the video description down below. I have a link for this software with a 50% off coupon that'll take it from $97 per month down to only $48. So make sure you check that out. Helium-10 by far has the most tools and is the best all-in-one software for Amazon sellers. We're going to be using black box. We're going to come into product targeting. Why am I coming into product targeting and putting an ASIN here? Let's say you are going to be doing these fitness bands. You'll want to find out other products related to this one so you have ideas on how to expand your business and your brand off of that first product, or products that you can bundle with that first product, or do a different bundle on your second product launch, and more. So we can come into here under product targeting, and you can see all of the related products. So here's a high density foam roller. So maybe you launch that as your second product. Resistance band workout exercise poster. Okay, another resistance bands, another roller, an ab wheel, gliding disc core sliders, dual-sided use on carpet or hardwood floors. That's interesting. A little mini weight stack dumbbells. So you guys can get the idea here. You can really go in here and find related products that you can launch next to build out a brand on Amazon. Okay, next guys, what you can do once you start to build a brand is you can actually have your own website right on Amazon, a little mini website. Here is an example of a brand that has brand registry and has their own storefront. This is a very professional looking storefront that you can direct advertisement and send customers directly to your storefront. And look how nice this looks. You know, it's got different categories. It's got like a Shopify feel. If you don't know what Shopify is, it allows you to set up your own website and sell e-commerce products. And Shopify is really cool. So here's an example of a Shopify store. You can set up a Shopify store in as little as like 30 or 45 minutes, and then even expand onto like Walmart.com once you really start to build out a brand. But right on Amazon, you are able to have A+ content or enhanced brand content that allows for those display ads, that allows for a website like this right on Amazon, videos and pictures in your description and on your listing. So you can get the idea here. You can send traffic and send customers directly to your storefront, and it just looks really, really nice, and it converts really, really well. So also, once you start to build authority and build out a brand, you can run Facebook ads and Instagram ads directly to your mini website right on Amazon for your brand. You can also run Google ads. Once you have brand registry, you can also use the Amazon Vine program to get more reviews. You have A+ content. You can do a video on your last photo. You can have a description with pictures of your product. And then again, you can do the display ads at the top for your brand, and then also enhance brand ads like this one right here to really highlight your brand and your products, and they convert really, really well. You'll also be able to sign up for Amazon Lightning deals, Amazon giveaways, and Prime Day especially. You can take full advantage of Prime Day. And then you can expand, like I said, onto Walmart or Shopify.com and build authority and start to build out your brand. You know, create a Facebook page, a business page for your brand, create an Instagram page, and start getting customers and followers to follow you. And then it makes it really easy for all future products you launch, because you're already building an email list, collecting emails, or building a community of customers who support your brand and love your products. Okay, number 4, building a brand provides you a financial asset that you can sell later on down the road. You know, I've got 2 brands registered on Amazon, and I don't plan to sell products on Amazon for the rest of my life. Maybe. I do love selling on Amazon, and I have those 2 brands. So, but my plan is in a few years to sell off one or both of those brands for 6 or even 7 figures. We'll see how things go. But building a brand creates a financial asset that you can sell for big money, like 6 or 7 figures. An investor or a buyer can come in and buy that brand from you. So really, really smart that you start launching products and building a brand in one niche or one marketplace that you can sell later on down the road. So, okay, great, Brian. How do I get all this done? I have products that I'm selling on Amazon that are in different categories, or I'm thinking of launching my Amazon business, but I don't have a category yet or a product yet. You know, go out there and find a product where all the numbers look good. You can come in as a brand new seller with low reviews and rank to the first page. You can improve the product, find a supplier who'll put your brand name or logo right on the product and do custom packaging, and then launch the product. Just get it to Amazon, launch the product, and see how it goes. You don't need to have brand registry or a trademark up front, because it is expensive to use the Amazon IP Accelerator program. It's going to be anywhere from $800 to $1,200, and so I don't recommend investing into that right up front. Go ahead and launch that product, start making sales, start making some profits, and then like a month or 2 after you start selling and launch, then you can invest some profits back into your business and get the trademark and brand registry with the Amazon IP Accelerator program. It'll only take 2 weeks. Once you reach out to an attorney, you sign up, Amazon will front you or give you brand registry in only 2 weeks, and then your trademark comes in about 8 months later. So where do you sign up or find out more information about the Amazon IP Accelerator program? Inside your Seller Central account, you go up to Apps and Services, down to Explore Services, and then down here you can see Enhanced Brand Content, IP Accelerator. You would choose this, and then there's all these different law firms right here. I use this one, Idea Legal, is who I use for both of my trademarks and brand registry, so I can recommend them. But these law firms are partnered with Amazon and pre-approved by Amazon, so you can actually go through here and read the reviews of past customers who've used them to get brand registry and a trademark, just like you would for a product buying on Amazon. So you can go through here. I recommend reaching out to like 3 to 5 of these to get prices and go from there. Now, you can get the IP Accelerator program up front, before you launch any products on Amazon, but I do recommend launching the product, proving that it sells well and makes profits, and then investing into the IP Accelerator program. However, you will want to brand the product from the very beginning, okay? Because you want the logo or brand name on your product so that when it comes time to get brand registry and a trademark, it makes the process a little smoother, okay? So brand your product from the beginning. So guys, that's going to wrap up today's video, going over, how building a brand and why building a brand is so important versus just launching random products in all different types of categories. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video, going over how to build a brand on Amazon, and set up a financial asset that you can sell later on down the road for 6 or even 7 figures. I hope you guys found this video valuable and informative. Drop me any of your questions down below. I'll make sure to answer each one of those personally. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop me a comment down below to be entered to win one of those 30-minute mentorship calls with me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.